Now simplify and solve the following linear equations. That is just the same as the questions before. That is, what is the seventh question? Let's see. 3 into t minus 3 equals 5 into 2t plus 1. Okay. So we have to get the variables to one side. For that, let's open the bracket first. Okay. So let's do the left hand side first. You have to multiply this 3 into t. So 3t minus, what is 3 into 3? It's 9. Okay. So 3t minus 9 equals, what is 5 into 2t? It's 10t plus, what is 5 into 1? It's 5. Okay. You have to be careful about this sign. Since here it's plus, you can put plus here. Since here it's minus, you can put minus here. Okay. Now you have to take the variables to one side. So let's take this 10t to left hand side. So 3t. If 10t is taken to other side, it will become minus 10t. Okay, so 3t minus 10t. Now what is remaining there? Minus 9 equals plus 5. Okay. Now you have to take this minus 9 to other side. Only then you will get the variables alone in the left hand side. So 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 minus 9. If taken to other side, it will become plus 9. Okay. Now what is 3t minus 10t? It's minus 7t. Okay. So minus 7t is equal to, what is 5 plus 9? It's 14. Okay, 14. Now you have to take this minus 7 also to other side. So how will you take this minus 7 to other side? Minus 7t means what? It's actually minus 7 into t. Okay, minus 7 into t. You should be careful about it. Okay, so if minus 7 is taken to other side means minus 7 will become divided by minus 7. Okay. Understand? It should not become plus 7. Why? Because here you are taking multiplication to other side. Then it will become division. But no need of changing the sign. Okay. So what is 14 divided by minus 7? It's equal to minus 2. So answer for this is t equals minus 2. Okay. If you want to check the answer, you can just substitute this in left hand side and right hand side, and you can check your answer. If it's equal, only then your answer or your solution will be the correct solution. Understand? So this is how you are doing the seventh question. Now let's see the eighth question. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equals 0. Okay, this is our eighth question. So here also for simplification, let's open the brackets first. Okay. So what is 15 into y? It's 15y. Okay. 15 into y is 15y. Now minus. Let's put the minus. Now 15 into 4. What is 15 into 4? It's 60. Okay. 15 into 4 is 60. Now minus 2 into y. What is minus 2? You should not simply take 2 into y. Okay, that minus should be considered. Otherwise, your answer will get wrong. Okay, so minus 2 into y is what? Minus 2y. Okay, now minus 2 into minus 9. What is minus 2 into minus 9? It's plus 18. Okay, minus 2 into minus 9 is plus 18. Now plus 5 into y is 5y. Okay. Plus 5 into 6 is 30. Okay. Is equal to 0. Understand? Whenever a minus sign is coming before the bracket, you should be very carefully, just like this. Okay. You should consider that minus also while multiplying. Otherwise, you will get wrong answer. Now, let's put the variables together. That is 15y. Then what is there? Minus 2y. So minus 2y. Then plus 5y. Okay, plus 5y. And let's put the remaining together. That is minus 60 plus 18 plus 30. Okay, is equal to 0. Understand? Now what is 15 minus 2y? 15 minus 2y is 13y. Okay, 13y. Now what is 13y plus 5y? It's 18y. Okay, 18y. Now for easily doing this, what is minus 80 plus 30? Minus 80 plus 30, it's minus 30. Okay. Now what is minus 30 plus 18? What is minus 30 plus 18? Minus 12. Okay. Minus 30 plus 18 is minus 12. So 18y minus 12 equals 0. Okay. Or you can write, you can take this minus 2 to minus 12 to other side, then it will become plus 12. So 18y is equal to 12. Okay. Now 18y means what? 18 into y. So this 18 also can be taken to other side. So y equals 12 divided by 18. And you will see that both 12 and 18 have got a common factor, which is 6. So 12 can be written as 6 into 2 and 18 can be written as 6 into 3. So that both this 6 will get cancelled and you will get only 2 by 3, or y equal to 2 by 3 will be the correct solution for this question. Understand? So in this way you can do this 8th question. Now let's see the 9th question. 9th question is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equals 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Okay. Here also let's open the brackets first. So 3 into 5z. What is 3 into 5z? It's 15z. Okay. Now minus. What is 3 into 7? 3 into 7 is 21. Okay. 3 into 7 is 21. Now minus 2. Okay. You should take this minus also. Minus 2 into 9z. What is minus 2 into 9z? It's minus 18z. Okay. Minus 18z. Don't forget to put the minus. So minus 18z. Now minus 2 into minus 11. What is minus 2 into minus 11? It's plus 22. Okay. Plus 22. Okay. Equals. What is 4 into 8z? 4 into 8z is 32z. Okay. 32z. Now minus this minus. Okay. 4 into 13. What is 4 into 13? Let's see that. 12 carry 1, 52. Okay. 52 will be the answer. So 4 into 13 is this. Here you can see 4 into 13. 4 into 13 is 52. So 52. Then what is there? Minus 17. Okay. 32z minus 52 minus 17. Now let's put the variables together. That is 15z. Then minus 18z. Okay. Then what is there? Minus 21 plus 22 equals what? 32z minus 52 minus 17. Okay. Now what is 15z minus 18z? 15z minus 18z is minus 3z. Okay. Minus 3z. This is minus 3z. What is minus 21 plus 22? It's plus 1. Okay. Plus 1. Understand? Minus 3z plus 1 equals. What is here? 32z. Now what is this? Minus can be written here. What is minus 52 minus 17? Minus 52 minus 17 means you have to add them. So minus 69. Okay. Minus 69 will be you are getting. Okay. Now you have to take this 32z to other side to get the variables alone on one side. So minus 3z plus 32, when taken to other side, it will become minus 32z. Okay. Now what is remaining there? Plus 1 equals what is here? Minus 69. Okay. Now what is minus 3z minus 32z? You have to add them. So you will get it as minus 35z. Okay. Minus 35z. And this plus 1 you have to take to other side. Okay. Only then you will get the variables alone in this side. So this will be equal to minus 69. When plus 1 is taken to other side, it will become minus 1. So minus 35z is equal to, what is minus 69 minus 1? It's minus 70. Okay, minus 70. Now minus 35z means what? Minus 35 into z equals minus 70. Okay, so you have to take this minus 35 to other side. So z equals minus 70 divided by minus 35. Okay, now what is minus 70 divided by minus 35? It's equal to 2. Okay, so z is equal to 2 will be the answer for this question. Okay, answer for ninth question is z equals 2. Understand how we are doing these steps? Okay, so this is all about the ninth question. Now let's see the last one, which is the 10th question. Okay, this is our 10th question, that is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equals 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Okay, this is our question. So here let's open the brackets first. Okay, sometimes you may not be knowing the multiplication of decimal numbers, but it's very easy. Okay, if you don't know, you please listen the steps. Okay, what I am doing. So here also let's open the brackets first. Multiply this, that is 0.25 into 4. This is the first thing that you have to do. Okay, so when multiplying with decimals, first you don't consider this decimal point. Okay, without considering this decimal point, let's multiply this. Then what you will get? 5 into 4 is 20, carry 2. 2 into 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, 100. Okay, so you will get the answer as 100. Now you need to observe this question. Here you can see that after the decimal point, two numbers are there, 1, 2. After the decimal point, two numbers are there. So in the answer also, after the decimal point, two numbers should be there. So our answer will become what? 1.00. Okay, 1.00 will be our answer. Okay, so here we will get 1.00 means what? 1 itself. So 1f. Okay, 1f minus, then what you have to do? 0.25 into 3. 0.25 into 3. Okay, then what you will get? 5 into 3 is 15, carry 1, 7, then what? 0. 0.75. Okay, here also in the question, after the decimal point, two numbers are there. Here it's the decimal point, and here one number, and here one number, two number. So in our answer also, after the decimal point, two numbers should be there. So you can put the decimal point here. Okay, so 0.75. So 0.75 will be answer. So 0.25 into 4f means 1.00. That means 1 itself, or simply f itself. Okay, so f minus 0.25 into 3 is 0.75. Okay, so left hand side is in this way. Now in the right hand side you can see 0.05 into 10. Okay, 0.05 into 10. So let's do it. 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0. Okay, when you are adding 0, 5, 0, 0. Okay, now here also you can see that after the decimal point, how many numbers are there? Two numbers. So in the answer also, after the decimal point, two numbers should be there. So you can put the decimal point here. So 0.50 means what? It's similar to 0.5. Understand? Or simply you can put 0.50. No problem. Okay. So in the right hand side you have got, left hand side it was 0.75 equals, right hand side what? 0.50f or 0.50f. Now minus, that minus, then what is next? 0.05 into 9. 0.05 into 9. So 45, 0.45. That means after the decimal point, two number. That means 0.45. Understand the multiplication of decimal numbers? It's simply easy. Okay, there are some easy steps also to multiply with 10 and all. That is 0.05 into 10 can be done more easily. But if I am explaining that steps also, then sometimes you may get confused. Okay, so I am simply following the same step itself. Okay, so 0.05 into 10, you will get 0.50. Okay, so you have got the answers in this way. Now you have to simply separate the variables. So here you have got f. Now you have to take this to this side. So 0.50 f will become what? Minus 0.50. Okay, f is equal to what is remaining there? Minus 0.45. Okay, and you have to take this minus 0.75 to other side, so that it will become plus 0.75. Understand? In this way you can separate the variables. Okay, now what you have to do, f minus 0.50 means what? F means what? Or here you have got the answer as 1.00, and that you have written as f. 1.00 means 1 itself, and that 1 itself you have put as f. Okay, so f minus 0.50 means actually 1.00 minus 0.50. Understand? 1.00 minus 0.50. Okay, and when you are doing the subtraction, this decimal points should be in the same line. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 0 minus 5. So 0, 10, 5. Okay, and you have to put the decimal point here, and now here 0. So 0.50 itself. Okay, this f can be, this f is actually what? 1.00 f. Okay, this you got this 0.25 into 4 as 1.00, and that I have written as f. Okay, now for subtraction you can simply write this f as 1.00. Okay, and after doing the subtraction you will get 0.50. So 0.50 f is equal to what is here? Minus 0.45 and plus 0.75. That means you have to do the subtraction. That is 0.75 minus 0.45. Then what you will get? 0.30. So 0.30. Okay, 0.30. Understand? So 0.50 f is equal to 0.30. So in order to get this f alone, you have to take this 0.50 to other side. Okay, so f is equal to 0.30 divided by 0.50. Understand? 0.30 divided by 0.50. And here you can see that in the numerator also, in the numerator after the decimal point there is only two numbers, and here also in the numerator, in the denominator after the decimal point two numbers are there. That means what? You can just avoid this decimal point and simply write it as 030 divided by 050. Why? Because in both numerator and denominator equal number of numbers are there after the decimal point. Here two numbers, here two numbers. So 030 divided by 050, that means what? 30 by 50. Okay, so f is equal to 30 by 50. Okay, 30 by 50 means what? You can write it as 30 means what? 3 into 10. 3 into 10 by 5 into 10, that means 3 by 5 will be our answer. F is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, from here itself you will understand it's 3 by 5, but just to explain, just I have explained the step for understanding how you are getting this 3 by 5. Okay, so you will get the answer as f is equal to 3 by 5. But since our questions are all in decimal type, we can convert this 3 by 5 also to decimal. How will you convert this 3 by 5? You need to just divide 3 divided by 5. How many 5s are inside 3? 0. So 0. Now how will you put the decimal point? You can just add 1 0 here, and you can put the decimal point here. Okay, now in 30 how many 5s are there? 6. Okay, 6 5s are 30. Okay, in this way you are doing the division of these types of numbers. So f is equal to 0.6. Understand? In this way you are doing it. Okay, 3 divided by 5. Understand? So you got the answer f as 0.6. Okay, here it's actually an easy question. Only thing that is that you have to be thorough with multiplication of decimals as well as division of decimals and all. Then you will easily get this answer. Okay, f is equal to 0.6. So this is all about the 10th question. So we have completed all these questions. Okay, so I hope you understood all these questions. So that's all. We have completed exercise 2.2 also. So that's all. Thank you.